Hi, this is Kailashan Pathak. Again, I am in front of you. How are you all? Okay. Yesterday, as I told you about aldehyde, now in this module, we have to learn about ketones. So let's start about ketones. As I told you yesterday about carbonyl groups. So in carbonyl groups, when or if two valencies of carbons are attached with or satisfied with two alkyl groups, when in carbonyl groups two valencies are attached with or satisfied with two alkyl groups R and R dash. Here R can be equal, R and R dash, that means both alkyl groups can be equal and both alkyl group cannot be equal. That means here R is called alkyl group, and R dash again an alkyl group. So this compound is called RCOR dash. This is called ketone. And in ketone, when both R and R dash are equal, this type of ketone is called simple ketone. Like an example, simple ketone. Example of simple ketone, when R and R dash are equal, that means CH3 single bond C double bond O single bond CH3. CH3 CO CH3. This means this is ketone, and types of ketone means simple ketone. This is called simple ketone, or it can be also symmetrical ketone. When both the alkyl groups outer part of carbonyl group, when both are equal, this is called simple ketone. Another example of simple ketone, when C2H5 single bond C double bond O single bond C2H5, both the alkyl groups are ethyl and both the alkyl groups are same, this is called simple ketone. Okay. And another example of second type, when both R and R dash cannot be equal, this is called mixed ketone. This is called mixed ketone. Like example, CH3 R means alkyl group is CH3 C double bond O, and R dash can be C2H5. This means this alkyl group and this alkyl group both are different, so this is called mixed ketone. Get it my point? So CH3, both the alkyl groups, when both the alkyl groups are different, this is called mixed ketone. When both the alkyl groups are same, this is called simple ketone. So this is the classification of ketones. And now we have to learn the IUPAC name and common name of ketones. Just like R single bond C double bond O single bond R dash. The common name of ketone is, this is alkyl group and this is again alkyl group. Alkyl. When both the alkyl groups are same, so common name is di. Di means one alkyl, two alkyl. So how many alkyl? Two. This is called di. So this is called alkyl groups. So now name is dialkyl ketone. Just like an example, CH3 single bond C double bond O single bond CH3. So common name of ketone is dialkyl ketone. This is the general name, but this is an example of ketone, simple ketone. So name is di. This is called methyl. This is also called methyl. So name is di